Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly to spell check your copywriting. Whether you're drafting emails, writing blog posts, or creating professional documents, having Grammarly integrated into your workflow will help catch errors and improve your writing quality in real time. Let's get started with the installation process. First, you'll want to open up a browser window and navigate to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you already have one, simply sign in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Grammarly dashboard. This is the central hub where all your documents and writing projects are stored and managed. Now that you're in the dashboard and your documents have finished loading, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your Grammarly experience. Click on Apps. This is where the magic happens, as it shows you all the different platforms where you can use Grammarly to spell check your copywriting. You'll see several installation options presented to you, and choosing the right one depends on how and where you do most of your writing. If you primarily work on a Windows computer and use programs like Microsoft Word or other word processing software, you can install the desktop version for Windows. This integration allows Grammarly to work seamlessly within these applications, checking your writing as you type. Alternatively, if you do most of your writing online using tools like Google Docs or other web-based editors, you'll want to install the Chrome browser extension. This option is incredibly popular because it works across multiple websites and platforms within your browser. For those who write on the go, Grammarly also offers mobile apps for both Android and Apple devices, ensuring your writing is polished no matter where you are. Choose the platform that best fits your needs and click on the corresponding installation option. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few moments. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup for your chosen platform. After the installation is complete, Grammarly will begin working immediately. As you start typing in your word processor, browser, or mobile app, you'll notice that Grammarly actively analyzes your text. It will provide real-time suggestions to spell check your copywriting, highlighting potential spelling errors, grammar mistakes, punctuation issues, and even style improvements. These suggestions appear as you write, making it easy to correct mistakes on the spot and ensure your copywriting is professional and error-free. And that's it. You've successfully installed Grammarly to spell check your copywriting across your preferred platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.